Welcome to my dear student. Today our topic is NEET previous year solution, electric charges and field. First question is question number 20. Already we discussed till question number 19. Question number 20 says that the electric field in a certain region is acting radially outward and is given by E is equals to AA. A charge contained in a sphere of radius A centered at the origin of the field will be. So dear student, E is given. Now we have to find out charge Q at the center of the sphere and the radius is A. The electric field contained region is acting radially outward and given by this. So this is the region, this is the spherical region. So E is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by A square. A is the radius. Now E is given here. The value of E is AA. It is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by A square. Now Q is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught A, capital A, small a, cube. So option 3 is the right answer. 4 pi epsilon naught A, small a, cube. Next question is question number 21. Two pith balls carrying equal charges are suspended from a common point by strings of equal length. The equilibrium separation between them is R. So here is the two pith ball hanging from a point, common point. They are charged, so initially the separation between them is small r. Now the strings are rigidly clamped at the half height. Now this point clamped at y by 2 distance, y by 2 height. Okay, so this point is here. Now this separation will change due to the gravity, because the charge has mass. Now the equilibrium separation between the ball now become, we have to find out R dash. Now separation will be changed. Now the equilibrium separation between them we have to find out from the following options. Now we will start. So let's see here for solution. So first of all, this is the pith ball, y distance. Now suppose consider this is charge Q, this is charge Q, because in the question it says that two pith ball carrying equal charges, so QQ, and suppose consider mass is M, also it has mass M. Now this distance is R. Now this distance will be R by 2, this distance will be R by 2. Now here gravitational force mg act downward. As it is charge Q, it is charge Q, same charge, so among them a repulsion force will be created. Repulsion force this direction, this repulsion force is F. Now if the angle is theta, now it has two component like that. This component is t cos theta and this component is t sin theta. Alright. Now t sin theta is equals to f and t cos theta is equals to mg. We can write tan theta is equals to f by mg. Now f is equals to electrostatic repulsion. This is k q square divided by r square. K, q and r distance between them. Again, from that right angle triangle, we can write tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base. So this is r by 2 divided by y. This is r by 2y. Okay. Now this is tan theta. This is also tan theta, r by 2y. So we can write f by mg is equals to r by 2y, or putting the value of f, k q square divided by mg r square equals to r by 2y. Okay. Or r cube is equals to 2y k q square divided by mg. Now k, q, m, g all are the constant. So we can write r cube proportional to y. Okay. And for second case, if the point is goes down at the half height. Now the case is like that. This is the like that. The distance between them is r dash. Now it is y by 2. In that case, we can write easily here r cube proportional to y. So in that case, we can write r dash cube proportional to y by 2. Now equating these two equations, we can write r dash cube divided by r cube is equals to y by 2 divided by y is equals to half, or r dash by r whole cube is equals to 1 by 2, or r dash is equals to r dash by r is equals to half to the power 1 by 3, or r dash is equals to r divided by cube root 3. So right answer will be here option number 2, r by cube root 2. Alright. Next question is question number 22. What is the flux through a cube of side A if a point charge q is at one of its corner? So now dear student, So it is a cube and the charge is placed at the one corner of that cube. Now, to cover that charge completely, we need such kind of 8 cube. This is the 4 cube, and it above, if we place the 4 cube, then this charge is completely covered. Then for that case, flux phi is equals to q by epsilon naught. For 8 cube completely cover the charge. For 8 cube, total flux phi is equals to q by epsilon naught. For single cube, for this is for 8 cube, and for single cube, phi will be 1 by 8 time q by epsilon naught. So answer will be q by 8 epsilon naught. Okay. Next question is question number 23. A charge q is enclosed by the Gaussian spherical surface of radius r. If the radius is doubled, then the outward electric flux will be. So a charge, suppose consider here present q, total flux is phi. If the radius r is double, then no change in flux. So electric Gaussian surface independent of size and shape. So this number of the flux contain this surface and number of the contain this surface will be same. So remain same. Next question 24. Two positive ions each carrying a charge q are separated by a distance d. If F is the force of repulsion between the ions, the number of electron missing from each ion will be. E being the charged on the an electron. So dear student, suppose here is the ion and another ion is here, and charge is q, distance separated by them is d. Force between them will be F is equals to k q square divided by d square. Now q can be find out from the equation root over f d square divided by k. Now we know q is equals to ne. So n is equals to q by e is equals to putting the value of q root over f by k d square divided by e. It is equals to root over f by k d square by e will be e square when it goes in between root. Now putting the value of k root over k, the value of k is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So 1 by value of 1 by k will be 4 pi epsilon naught f d square divided by e square. So final answer will be 4 pi epsilon naught f d square e square. Option number 3. 4 pi epsilon naught f d square e square. Okay. Next question is question number 25. A surface of side L meter in the plane of the paper is placed in a uniform electric field E acting along the same plane. So this square surface is placed along the paper. Now electric field, uniform electric field acting along the same plane. Now also electric field acting same plane, but with an angle theta. Same plane at an angle theta with the horizontal side of the square as shown in the figure. The electric flux linked to the surface in unit of voltmeter is. Now dear student, this is a tricky question. So this is a square surface placed along the paper. Now this is the square side. Now electric field like that. So it is not like that, perpendicular, not like perpendicular. It is horizontally and make angle theta. So no electric field line cut the surface. So if no electric field line cut the surface, so no flux linked with the surface. So total flux in that case will be 0. Now go to the next question, 26. So the student, question number 26 says that two parallel metal plates having charges plus q and minus q faces each other at a certain distance between them. If the plates are now dipped in kerosene oil tank, the electric field between the plates will be. So the student, we know if two plates separated by a certain distance, this is plus q, this is minus q, surface charge density will be sigma, surface charge density will be sigma, and this will be plus sigma, this will be minus sigma, and the permittivity between the plate will be epsilon naught. Then electric field generated between the plates will be is equals to sigma by epsilon naught. If the whole system is dipped inside the kerosene, then electric field will change, and this will be E dash is equals to sigma by K epsilon naught, where K is the dielectric constant of the kerosene. So this will be decrease. So here electric field will be decrease. Next question is question number 27. The electric field at a distance 3r by 2 from the center of the charged conducting spherical shell of radius r is E. The electric field at a distance r by 2 from the center of the sphere is. Solution. So dear student, so this is a sphere. Suppose it contains charge q. Now from the center it is the r. Now 3r by 2 means 1.5 r. So this is again r by 2. So here is the electric field. This is point P. Here is the electric field E. Now electric field at a distance r by 2. So we have to find out electric field at that point P dash. Now this is the inside the sphere. We know for spherical shell, electric field inside the spherical shell is 0. So answer will be 0. For spherical shell, inside the spherical shell, electric field is 0. And the surface of the shell here is the maximum. And if we far from the surface of the shell, then it again decreases. Now next question. Next question is 28. A thin conducting ring of radius r is given a charge plus q. The electric field at the center O of the ring due to charge on the part AKB of the ring is E. The electric field at the center due to the charge on the part ACDB of the ring is. So now the student, so it is a sphere now due to the AKB part. So Q total charge is plus Q. So plus Q charge is equally distributed over the sphere. So it has 4 parts. So we can consider Q by 4 is over AB, Q by 4 is again over BD, and again Q by 4 is over CD, and Q by 4 again over AC. So due to AKB segment of the ring, the electric field is given E, and the direction will be this direction. Now for ACDB from here to from here. For this part, the student, look here. If we consider AC part, then it will be this direction. For BD part, it will be this direction. So for AC and for BD, due to AC and due to BD, net electric field is cancelled each other. The remaining part is CD. Due to that, the direction of the electric field is this direction. So this direction is OK direction, and electric field is same as AB, E. So final answer is electric field E and OK direction. E along OK. Option 2 is the right answer. This is E, this is E, this is E, this is E. 4 equal segment. So electric field for each segment is E, and for ACDB, due to AC and BD, net electric field is 0. So only due to CD part, electric field will be E and direction will be OK direction. So option 2 is the right answer. Thank you.